How to make your profile on Deezer private. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn your profile to a private profile. So let's start. First thing we do is we go to Deezer app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now we go to the top corner here, click on this icon like this, and then you go down to privacy settings and you will find this option that says private profile, and then you enable it or disable it from here. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you later.